All right, here we are looking at 8.3 day 2. Still proportions of similar figures, but this time looking specifically at the area and perimeter of the similar figures. And hopefully, if you did the investigation yesterday, these notes will make sense to you. So first thing is perimeters of similar polygons. Well, the ratio of the perimeters is equal to the scale factor, where area, the ratio of the areas is equal to the scale factor squared. Because if you think about it, perimeter is a length, where area is a length squared, because it's like length times width. So you end up getting the scale factor squared. All right, so looking at these examples here, we are told that they are similar shapes, and we want to find the area and perimeter of the other shape that we're not given. So here we are given the area for shape A and the perimeter for shape A, and we want to find the area and perimeter for shape B. We know we have sides of 5 and 12. So for perimeter, I'm going to say 25 over perimeter B equals 5 over 12. 5 over 12 being the scale factor. So then I cross multiply. 5 times perimeter B equals 12 times 25. Divide both sides by 5. Perimeter B equals 60 feet. So I'm going to do something similar for the area, but this time it has to be the scale factor squared. So I said 50 over area B equals 5 over 12 squared. So I have to square this first and get 25 over 144. Now I can cross multiply and get 25 times area B equals 50 times 144. Divide both sides by 25, and area B equals 288 feet squared. Alrighty, and example 6. Notice I wrote a little a and a little b in there. I accidentally forgot to label that. And we were told the scale factor is 3/4. Perimeter for shape B is 100. The area for shape B is 75. So that means we're going to find the area and perimeter for shape A. And shape A is the smaller shape. So when I set up my proportion, I do perimeter A over 100 equals, and I make sure 3 over 4, because the smaller shape is A, the bigger shape is B. So I cross multiply, and 4 times perimeter A equals 3 times 100. Divide both sides by 4. Perimeter A equals 75 yards. So for area, I'm going to do something very, very similar, except instead of just using the scale factor, again, I have to set it up as the scale factor squared. So area A over 75 equals 3/4 squared. So this time I have to square this first. 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16. So I get area A over 75 equals 9 over 16. So I cross multiply. 16 times area A equals 9 times 75. Divide both sides by 16, and area A equals 42.2 yards. And that finishes up section 8.3.